Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Jeremy.
And I'm Jace.
Well, for today, we've got
our brushing on cards for the month of September.
So, shows what we got here.
Certified, Donruss, Elite, and Elite.
So let's get in there and see what's up. In the background, we have all our Patty Mahomes cards, but just a few of them. Some of our favorites that we put up there. Maybe that'll bring him some good luck this weekend against the Jags. It's going to be a tough game. Alright, there's our cards. And the packing peanuts. So let's see what we got here. We got our supplies. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 Elite. I think we were supposed to get 3, but one of them's our
bonus, and then we got a bonus from
our bonus from last month, our sub bonus that we didn't get. So we have 3 certified, 2 Donruss, and Unparalleled's the gold feature this month. So everybody gets one of those. So we will do certified last. Start with Donruss. See what we got here.
David DeCastro, Chris Carter,
K1 Short, Joe Klecko. It's an old guy.
Ryan Tannehill, Carl Lawson,
Elite Series Mason Rudolph, quarterback.
MVP Terry Bradshaw,
Ian Thomas,
and rookie of
Durham Smythe. On to pack 2.
TJ Watt, Anthony Barr, Christian McCaffrey, Robbie Anderson, Frank Gore, Geno Atkins, the rookies Baker Mayfield.
Not numbered.
Speaking of Jags,
Jalen Ramsey. Mason Rudolph.
And rookie of Marcus Davenport.
All right, on to Elite. They all look thin, so that's good for an auto. Amari Cooper.
Clay Matthews. Hard Hats, Von Miller. Alshon Jeffrey. And A.J. McCarron. Second pack of Elite.
So what'd you think of that Pats game last night?
Nice.
We kind of quit watching at halftime because we didn't think the Colts were going to do anything, and then they came back and did a little something. So
Frank Gore,
Jared Goff, Julio Jones,
numbered
2 of 299.
Richard Sherman and Keenan Allen.
This one seems a little thicker.
We have Joe Flacco,
Marvin Jones, Zeke Elliott, Craftsman.
Patch card.
So we got one hit out of there.
Matt Ryan and Jarvis Landry. Last pack of Elite. Dak Prescott, Todd Gurley, Hard Hats of Jamal Adams, Patrick Mahomes, and Jimmy Graham. On to our only pack of Unparalleled. T.Y. Hilton, Kirk Cousins, Jerick McKinnon, Ronald Jones II, Astros Bradley Marquez, going to be numbered 200, 3 of 200. Bright Futures, Deshaun Watson, B.J. Hill rookie, and Brian O'Neill rookie.
All right, on to certified.
First pack, certified. See what we can get. Sam Bradford, Drew Brees, rookie Terrell Edmonds, numbered 673 of 999.
Clay Matthews.
Is this going to be a hit?
No.
Numbered
81 of 99. And David Johnson.
Second pack of certified. Doug Baldwin, Odell Beckham Jr., AJ Green, DeAndre Hopkins, numbered
149 of 499.
Aaron Rodgers. Last pack of certified. Gonna get last pack Mojo.
I don't know. We'll see. Looks like we did. So we'll move that to the back. Ed Reed.
And his college and Ravens uniform. Malcolm Jenkins. Richard Sherman. Tom Brady.
And
Number 3.
Lamar Jackson, quarterback.
Jumbo patch numbered to 299.
So that was our hits this month. Two patch cards. I think we are going to give a break to this box, and we're going to subscribe to something else. I just really feel we haven't gotten our. We went 3 months in a row now. We were pretty close on our value this month on cards. If you add in the subscription bonus pack that we were supposed to get last month. So that still puts us like $60 60 to $70 behind in 3 months on value. And I know it's a gamble. You take chances with this box, hoping to get some of them big packs, but when there's only 10 of them available, kind of makes your odds pretty short. Yeah, not good. So anyway, keep the lookout for a couple more videos we're gonna have coming. We got 2 boxes of XR. We've got a box of
Unparalleled.
No, not Unparalleled.
Illusions.
Illusions 2018. Yep. And then don't forget if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a 250 sub giveaway coming up. We're at like 221 right now, so we're almost there. And when we hit 250, we're going to give this box a playoff away. So make sure you do that and keep watching for future videos. Thanks for watching.